Today we will see how to find out specific gravity of soil solids using picnometer method. As we know, specific gravity is one of the index properties of the soil. Using this specific gravity, we can find out void ratio, degree of saturation, and many things connected to compaction and consolidation. We can find out a zero air void line. We can also find out the critical hydraulic gradient. Thus, this index property is very important in geotechnical engineering. Specific gravity is defined as the ratio of unit weight of soil solids to the unit weight of water. It can also be defined as the ratio of weight of soil solids to the weight of equal volume of water at a particular temperature. It is a unitless quantity. The apparatus required is picnometer, distilled water and weighing balance, also the soil sample. Let us go for the demonstration. The first step is to note down the weight of empty picnometers for samples A, B and C. It will be taken as W1 in grams. Thus, weight of empty picnometer for samples A, B and C, we have seen it is 584 grams, thereafter 534 grams and 570 grams. Thereafter, we will be taking soil sample in this picnometer and we will be taking the weights. The weight of picnometer plus soil sample, that is W2, we have got for soil sample A, it is 1022 grams. For soil sample B, it is 982 grams. And for soil sample C, it is 864 grams. Thereafter, we will be adding water to the picnometer, which is with the soil sample, and thereafter we will be taking its weight as W3. Now this is sample A. We will be removing this brass cap and thereafter we will be adding water in this picnometer. Thus, we have filled the picnometer with the water, distilled water, up to its neck. Thereafter, we will be replacing its lid with the conical cap. Now, the remaining portion of this picnometer, that is the conical cap, it is going to be filled with the water this way. Thus, this is completely filled with water. We have to clean it from outside, okay, and thereafter we will be taking its weight. Thus, the weight is 1.854 kg, that is 1854 grams. This is for sample A. Similarly, we will be doing the process for sample B and sample C. Thus, for sample A, weight of picnometer plus soil sample plus water, it comes out to be 1854 grams. For sample B, it is 1848 grams, and for sample C, it is 1780 grams. Thereafter, we will take weight of pycnometer plus weight of water. Now, we will be adding water in this empty pycnometer to get W4. Fill it completely up to the neck, and thereafter we have to fill the conical cap as well. Thus, it is filled up to the hole in the conical cap. Now, clean the pycnometer from outside and take the weight. The weight is 1630 grams, that is 1.63 kg. Similarly, we will be repeating the step for other two samples, B and C. For pycnometer A, W4 comes out to be 1630 grams. For pycnometer B, it is 1568 grams. And for pycnometer C, it is 1596 grams. Thereafter, we will find out weight of soil, which is at W2 minus W1. So, 1022 minus 584. Similarly, we will be calculating weight of soil for other two samples. Weight of soil for sample A, it comes out to be 438 grams. For sample B, it is 448 grams, and for sample C, it is 294 grams. 438 grams for sample A, 448 grams for sample B, and 294 for sample C. Thereafter, we will find out weight of equal volume of water. The formula is W4 minus W1 minus W3 minus W2. From this, we get weight of equal volume of water as 214 grams for sample A, 168 grams for sample B, and 110 grams for sample C. Now, what is specific gravity? Specific gravity is 438 divided by 214 for sample A, 448 divided by 168 for sample B, and 294 divided by 110 for sample C. Let us calculate. Thus, specific gravity for sample A comes out to be 2.05. For sample B, it is 2.67. And for sample C, again it is 2.67. Thus, find out the mean specific gravity. 2.05 plus 2.67 plus 2.67 divided by 3. It comes out to be 2.46. In this way, we have found out mean specific gravity for the given type of soil. Thus, we have found out specific gravity for a given soil sample using pycnometer method. The result is mean specific gravity of the soil solids comes out to be 2.46. Commonly, the range of specific gravity for soil solids, it is between 2 to 3. So, our result is within the given range. Thank you.